Hey, what's up, guys? EXO coming at you here from the secret spot. Friggin' nice and shiny, bright outside, so I figured we'd do some basing today, do some testing. As you can see, we got that SSA meter primed and ready to go. We're gonna be doing some, random bass testing. I would like to do a sweep, but we're gonna jump into things with just some 40 hertz madness. See what things do on the dash, see what things do with the door open, have some fun. Change the frequencies up a little bit. And here, there's the application all primed up. 2 crescendo 5500s, wired down to 0.7, 2 platform 5s from PSI, Car Audio, Pioneer 80 PRS, single AmpLab Mega Lithium battery, 45 amp hours, and 2 AGMs and a single Iragi 300. So let's give a nice little rev on the engine. Crank the volume up and make sure our cell phone's turned on all the way. Let's give a quick little burp here. Hopefully everything stays in place. Everything's all sealed up for right now. Windows are rolled up, both sides. Got the bass knob right here. Let's crank it up. Hell yeah, baby! 158 on the demo right here. Woo! So that's a legal score, all sealed up, DB drag style, on the dash. Not bad, guys, for 218s. That's fucking awesome. So now let's change the format while we still have some good juice. What are we at right now? 14.6 volts. So now let's reset this. And this is not just an app you can get, guys. If you're watching this kind of new to the program, you can't just go on Android Play and buy this app. You have to buy this device. Let's put the meter in the kick right down here. A lot of people get louder when they stick their stuff down here. Sometimes by several dB, 2 dB, who knows? Let's try testing it like that. See if we get any louder. Where's my bass knob? Where's my bass knob? Right here. Give it a nice rev. $159. Not bad. Not bad. I was expecting a little more than that. Oh shit, I forgot. I forgot to open my door. Oh man, I'm an idiot. I forgot to open my freaking door, or at least my window. Oh crap. Let me open my window like this. And window open in the kick. Let's try that. Oh man. Reset this. Volume's all the way up. Here we go. That's more like it, baby! Woo! 160.6 with just the window open. And that made a huge, huge difference. I forgot when we got that 59, I forgot to freaking roll the window down. And so let's try with the door open. Door open in the kick. Oh shit, I gotta screenshot this. That's a nice score. For 218s, oh yeah, baby, woo! So, let's do another reset with the door open this time. Volume all the way up, cell phone, volume all the way up. Bass knob, here we go. I got it in my hand right here. Let's turn it up. All right, so with the door open, I lost almost a D. I lost a D. Yeah. So it definitely likes it with the door shut and the window down. So let's try that one more time and let's see if it makes that same of a difference again. Oh yeah! That's right. That's right. Okay. I think it's time to fool around with some other frequencies here. Now when I go down in frequency and play the low bass notes, my car really does favor having some venting, like having the windows open. But we'll humor it both ways and we'll jump right into, let's go down to 25-ish or around the 25, 28 hertz mark. All right, so I decided to go to 28 hertz just for right now because, I don't want to go crazy too much excursion just for having fun on video and, do something I shouldn't just to get carried away on YouTube. So here's 28 hertz with one window down, just this one window down. and in the kick, right down there. And then I'm gonna move it out of the kick here in just a second. All right, the song's ending. Not bad. So it's doing a 155.8 at 28 hertz. That's not that bad. Now let's move this damn meter back up to the dash, because I really don't care much more about anything down here. So now I'm gonna go to like 40, I don't know, maybe like 45 hertz or 44 hertz. Actually, maybe we'll even do a sweep. Yeah, let's do a quick sweep and then see what our peak is. And I'm kind of gonna gradually go into it because I know I'm not gonna peak into the teens. So I'm not gonna friggin' go full tilt right now, you know what I'm saying? We peaked at 40 hertz. And that was just guesstimation when we first went into things. That's not bad. You know what? I'm gonna crank the volume just a little bit more, because sometimes when you increase the juice, you can get just like maybe one incremental frequency different. So I'm gonna bring this just a tiny bit more, and we'll try the test again. Time we got 41. So you see how it can jump around from one frequency up or down depending on the volume that you choose. See, didn't get louder though. The 40 hertz was definitely louder. So 160 point what 6 or 160 point what was it 160 point something in the higher parts past the 0.5 at 40 hertz. And we got the 158 legal dB drag style at 40 hertz. And then we were at what, 156, dipping down into the 28 or something like that. So it's not bad. It has a good range to her. But I just wanted to have a little bit of fun today, do some jamming on the downtime. So stay tuned to the new teardown videos coming up soon. I just got so much on my platter right now. I'm trying my best to get my mind straight. So thanks for bearing with me, guys. All right, I'll talk to you on the rebound.